Today, we're looking into the story of Jabbar Gibson, a man whose name became nationally known after one of the most shocking bus hijacking incidents in recent American history. What began as a routine transit ride quickly turned into a deadly hostage situation that captured headlines across the country. Years later, many people are asking, where is Jabbar Gibson now? Let's find out. The incident happened in May 2024 in Atlanta, Georgia, when authorities say Jabbar Gibson hijacked a commuter bus carrying passengers across multiple counties. According to investigators, Gibson boarded the bus as a passenger before pulling out a firearm and forcing the driver to continue driving while police pursued the vehicle. During the chaos, one passenger was fatally shot, while terrified riders remained trapped inside as the bus sped through traffic. The chase lasted for miles and involved several law enforcement agencies before officers were finally able to stop the bus and rescue the remaining passengers. Following the incident, Gibson was arrested and charged with multiple serious offenses, including murder, kidnapping, hijacking, aggravated assault, and terrorism-related charges. The case quickly gained national attention due to the terrifying nature of the ordeal and the dramatic police pursuit captured on video. So, where is Jabbar Gibson now? As of now, Jabbar Gibson is being held in custody in Georgia while awaiting further legal proceedings related to the bus hijacking and fatal shooting case. He is serving a 15-year federal sentence for drug and gun charges. He was incarcerated in central Louisiana and has been working on appeals and a film about his life story. Because of the severity of the charges, he could potentially face life in prison if convicted. The case remains one of the most disturbing public transit crimes in recent years and continues to be closely followed as the court process moves forward. From an ordinary bus ride to a deadly hostage situation, Jabbar Gibson's story remains a chilling reminder of how quickly public safety incidents can escalate into tragedy. Thanks for watching. If you want more stories like this and updates on where people are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know who you want next.